Up, people? I read off on book 80. I was reading a book left off on page. I can't tell y'all what it is. I'm gonna have to do that on my other channel. This is just gonna be a regular video. Page 84 and 85. Maybe in the next video, but it's gonna be on my other channel. I'll talk about what I was talking about because I promised that I wasn't gonna keep that type of content separated from what I'm talking about over here. It's a little warm today, but not as bad. Yep. Let me try something different. That might be kind of crazy. Let me upload it. I'm gonna see exactly what happened. Wait a minute. What the heck? That's time for me to get the hell from over here now. Yeah, I'm gonna get the hell from over here. They got that damn waltz there. So that's a sign to get your ass from over here. So that's what I'm finna do right now. They must have a waltz nest up in there. All right. I'll be back, y'all. A waltz came and I had to get up from that. That's what I named the video.